Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme C33. Begin by opening Play Store on both and tapping on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and get this app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then choose Not Now if you wish to in this pop-up and close it by tapping on OK. Then do exactly the same on your Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. OK. Finally, you can choose Receive at the bottom of your Realme and Send at the bottom left corner of Android smartphone. Now tap on all of those dots from all of those categories and tap on Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. On Realme, click on one of those options, in my case no thanks. Choose Close this window and as you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive button or scan this QR code. In order to scan it, tap on this scanning icon next to your code. Choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the QR code. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!